10 amazing web developer resume examples for different web dev specializations. Number 1. Front-end web developer resume sample. When crafting a resume as a front-end web developer, you'll want to focus on your strong abilities in using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with any experience in frameworks like React or Vue.js. It's essential to detail how you've applied these skills to create visually appealing and responsive web interfaces that load efficiently. Mention any notable projects where your design and technical skills directly contributed to the success of the website's user experience. Number 2. Full-stack web developer resume sample. As a full-stack developer, your resume should showcase a balanced expertise in both front-end and back-end technologies. You'd list skills such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the front-end, and Node.js, Python, or Ruby for the back-end. Be sure to describe a standout project where you were responsible for both client and server-side handling, demonstrating your capability to oversee and integrate the entire technology stack effectively. Number 3. J2EE web developer resume sample. For those specializing in J2E, your resume should highlight your expertise in creating enterprise solutions using Java, JSP, servlets, and enterprise-oriented frameworks like Spring or Hibernate. Include specific instances where you have implemented EJB, JMS, or worked with enterprise-level APIs, showing your ability to handle complex, scalable systems that cater to corporate needs. Number 4. Java web developer resume sample. If you specialize in Java web development, emphasize your proficiency with Java-centric technologies and frameworks such as Spring, Hibernate, and Struts. Detail your involvement in projects that require deep understanding of core Java concepts, like concurrency and session management, and mention any projects involving integration with RESTful or SOAP services to underline your capabilities in building robust web applications. Number 5. PHP web developer resume sample. For a PHP developer, highlight your expertise in creating dynamic server-side applications using PHP and popular frameworks like Laravel or Symfony. Point out your experience with various content management systems, such as WordPress or Drupal, and discuss specific database optimizations you've implemented, particularly with MySQL, to enhance application performance and efficiency. Number 6. ASP.NET web developer resume sample. ASP.NET developers should focus on their experience within the .NET framework, specifically with C#, ASP.NET Core, MVC, and Visual Studio. Detail any significant projects that involved Microsoft Azure and Entity Framework, showcasing your ability to develop and manage web applications that are tightly integrated with Microsoft technologies. Number 7. Freelance web developer resume sample. As a freelance web developer, your resume should underline your versatility and capability to handle various technologies across multiple projects and industries. Highlight your self-management skills, your track record of meeting deadlines, and your ability to deliver high-quality work independently. Don't forget to include a link to your live portfolio to make a strong impact on potential clients. Number 8. Entry-level web developer resume sample. For entry-level web developers, it's important to showcase foundational skills and any practical experience. Highlight your proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Also, make sure to include details about relevant coursework, bootcamp participation, internships, personal projects, or contributions to open-source communities to demonstrate your readiness and hands-on experience in web development. Number 9. Junior web developer resume sample. Junior web developers should emphasize their ongoing learning and skill development. Talk about your increasing involvement in team-based projects, your growing responsibilities, and how you've contributed to key initiatives. Focus on your adaptability to new technologies and your eagerness to tackle complex problems, which are crucial at this stage in your career. Number 10. Senior web developer resume sample. As a senior web developer, your resume should reflect your leadership and expertise in system design. Highlight your role in mentoring younger developers, managing large-scale projects, and making strategic decisions that have significant impacts. It's also important to showcase your high-level architectural knowledge, your efforts in optimizing performance, and your drive for innovation across various projects.
Please like, share, and subscribe DevTools 99 for more technical and educational videos. Thank you for watching.